In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a canvas using Canva, a process that's simple, efficient, and guaranteed to save you a lot of money. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned creator, knowing how to make the most of Canva's features can help you design beautiful visuals with ease. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. Once there, a great way to kick off your creative journey is by searching for a template that suits your needs. To do this, simply navigate to Canva's search bar and type in a keyword related to the design you have in mind. For example, if you're intending to create a blog post graphic, just type blog into the search bar. This step will pull up a range of available templates tailored to blog visuals. After your search results come up, you'll see there are numerous templates, including many free options. Take a look through these designs and select the one that catches your eye and best fits your content style. Remember, while it can be tempting to go for something elaborate, choosing a simple and clean design is often the best choice for clarity and professionalism. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to click on the button labeled Customize this template. This option takes you into Canva's editor, giving you the ability to modify the template to better fit your needs and personal brand. Whether it's adjusting colors to match your brand palette, resizing elements, or replacing text, the canvas is now yours to personalize. As you delve into the editing phase, remember that Canva offers a range of tools to make your graphic as unique as you want. You can add images, shapes, or even upload your own assets. Explore the text options by changing the font, size, and alignment to ensure the design communicates your message effectively. If your template is geared toward a blog, ensure the text stands out clearly against the background and that it captures your reader's attention. When you're satisfied with your edits, take a moment to review the final product. Check for any spelling errors, misaligned elements, or anything that feels out of place. Remember, a polished design goes a long way in making sure your content is taken seriously. And there you have it, a stunning, professional quality graphic ready to support your content. Canva makes this process both effortless and enjoyable. Once finished, you can easily download or share your creation directly from Canva, ensuring your design is ready to go wherever it might be needed. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Feel free to explore more of Canva's features to continue enhancing your creative projects. Happy design!